Good day, young learners. Welcome back. You will be learning a new writing skill technique today, that is, note making. At times, when you are alone at home, your mom and dad may give you some instructions that you should follow. They may either orally give you these instructions or write it down on a piece of paper for you to read. You may also leave a note or message for your friends, parents, or siblings in their absence. These notes may be very short and may consist of 2 to 3 sentences at the most. Such a note can be described as a compressed form of letter which gives information that is precise and important. It gives the necessary information which you need to convey to the person you are writing the note to. For instance, if your mother is not at home and you need or want to visit your friend's house in the meantime, you cannot just leave without informing her. Of course, these days we can simply call, but in case it is not possible to do so, you may simply leave a note informing her about your whereabouts so that she is not worried when she returns home. It would be rather silly to write her a long letter, as all you need to do is to mention where you are and when you will be back. There are a few rules that should be kept in mind while writing a note. A note never has any address mention on it as a letter does. The language used is very simple. The note is usually written in simple past or simple present tense. A note should not exceed 2 to 3 lines. The format for writing a note is as follows. Students, you must first start the date on the left-hand side of the note in the following manner. 12th August 2020. Next, you must write the word for and then write the name of the person for whom the note is being written. Add a comma after you mention their name. For example, if you are writing a note to your parents, then you must write for mummy or daddy. If a note is meant for your siblings, you can write the sibling's name directly. For example, for Shreya or Srinath. Then you must start writing the message you wish to convey. This message must be short, clear and precise. It should not be more than 2 to 3 sentences. Lastly, you must write your name at the bottom left-hand corner to tell the person that it is you who has left the note for them. For example, 12th August 2020, for mummy, I am going to Kritika's house, will be back by 7:30 p.m. Amrita. Now that you have learned the format, let's go over a few examples of note writing. This is a note written by Meera to her friend Chitra. Meera has gone to Chitra's house when Chitra wasn't at home. Hence, Meera has left a note for Chitra. You can see that Meera has written the date and the name of the person to whom the note is addressed to. The note is that Meera needs her copy of the Harry Potter novel and wants Chitra to return it soon. Meera has ended the note by writing her name in the bottom left corner. Students, you can go through the examples given in your workbook and attempt the exercises on your own.